Inshallah, this is our MCET trigonometry next part. Before going to questions, I request you to go through the formulas first. In the first part, I have given the link in the discussions of the basic formulas of trigonometry. If you doesn't know or not perfect in the formulas, you go through the formulas first. Okay. So now you see here, we know sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine A minus B is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin. For plus, we have to use minus here. For minus, we have to use plus here. And one more thing is here, componendo and dividendo ratio. We can use sometime to reduce the steps. Okay. Suppose we are having A by B equals to C by D. Then we can add in the numerator, we can subtract the denominator. A plus B by A minus B. Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator equals to numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Or we can do like also, in the numerator we can subtract, in the denominator we can add. If we add in, we should add both sides numerator, both sides denominator, subtraction. Okay, let me do this in the questions. Now next thing is, you see, we have watched your question. If tan theta 1 equals to k into tan theta 2, then this is the question. Cos theta minus 1 by theta minus 2, theta 1 minus theta 2. You see here, let me do one thing. What is this? Sine is, tan is sine by cos, sine theta 1 by cos theta 1 equals to k into cot is cos theta 2 by sine theta 2. You bring this here and this here, then what is left here? K will be left here. So we can write like this. See here, sine theta 1 sine theta 2. I brought this here, bring this here, divided by cos theta 1 cos theta 2 equals to k. Suppose this as k by 1. Sorry, k by 1. Now watch here. If we add this, subtract this, it becomes the formulas. And also we want to have this only, this is cos A minus B, this is cos A plus B. So let me do one thing. Let we want here minus, no, add in the numerator. Use first denominator. Denominator plus numerator by denominator plus numerator. Because we have to start with cos A cos B, sin A sin B. First we have to write cos A cos B. So denominator plus numerator by denominator minus numerator. I'm writing like this. Cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2. In the numerator, if we are adding, we have to subtract in the denominator. Then same like this. Cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta. You see, watch carefully. We started with denominator. No, here also we have to start with denominator. We wrote like this. Denominator plus numerator by denominator minus numerator. Here also we have to use the same procedure. Denominator plus numerator by denominator. So denominator plus numerator by denominator minus numerator. Now it's finished. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B. Theta 1 minus theta 2. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos A plus B. Cos theta 1 plus theta 2 equals to 1 plus k by 1 minus k. Now you see the next question. We know sin 2a is 2 sin A cos A and 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square A. So see here, I'm writing like this. This is sin theta plus, you consider this as sin 2a. Sin 2a is 2 sin A cos A divided by 1 plus cos 2. You leave this as it is. 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 is 2 cos square. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta plus this is left cos theta. Now you take common from the numerator and denominator. We can take common from the numerator sin theta. So what is left here? 1 plus 2 cos theta. Now take common from the denominator cos theta. So what is left? 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta plus 1. This is same. Sorry, this is get cancelled. Now sin by cos is tan theta. Now you see the next question. Cos A minus B equals to 3 by 5. Tan A tan B equals to 2. Two conditions are given. Which of the following is true? You do one thing. We know tan is sin by cos, sin by cos. So this will be sin A sin B by cos A cos B. Now you consider this as 2 by 1. Just now we have seen the component and dividend ratio. Now you watch carefully. If we add or subtract, this will become the formulas of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, or cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So either we add in the numerator, subtract in the denominator, or we can subtract in the numerator, add in the denominator. If we start with denominator here, we also have to start from the denominator. Let me start with the denominator. Denominator plus numerator I am adding. Denominator plus numerator. So in the numerator addition means in the denominator we have to subtract denominator minus numerator. In the same sense we have to do here. We started with denominator, no? Here also we must start with denominator. Denominator plus numerator by denominator minus numerator. So this is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B divided by this is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B cos A plus B equals to 3, 2 plus 1, 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. Now watch carefully. If we want to find that, we change this, interchange this one. If we do the reciprocal of this, cos A plus B by cos A minus B, so this will become minus 1 by 3. Now bring this here. So cos A plus B equals to minus cos A minus B by 3. I brought this here. Now cos A minus B is given as 3 by 5 minus cos A minus B is given as 3 by 5, and here we are having 3. So let me cancel this 3. It is left with minus 1 by 5. So the answer is cos A cos A plus B. This is cos A plus B. Already cos A minus B is given. No? This is cos A plus B is minus 1 by 5. Now you see the next question. Tan A equals to 1 by 2. Tan B equals to 1 by 3. Then A plus B equals to dash. We want A plus B. Now let me find A plus tan A plus B. After that we can bring tan on the other side. It will be tan inverse. We will get the value of A plus B. First let me find tan A plus B. If you bring this tan on the other side, it will be inverse. We will get the value of A plus B. So tan A plus B is tan A. Tan A is given 1 by 2. Tan B is given 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Now we take the LCM. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 2 1s are 2. 3 plus 2 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 1 is 5 by 6. Now we get cancel, get 1. Therefore, tan of A plus B equals to 1. Which value of tan is 145 degrees? Therefore, A plus B equals to 45 degrees. 45 degrees is nothing but pi by 4. Now you see the next question. What is the question? We have to find x power 4 y square. Now watch carefully. X power 4, if we apply power 4 here, it will become A power 4 secant theta plus tan theta. Already whole square. If we apply power 4, 4 2s are 8, this will become 8. X power 4 means if we apply power 4 here, this will become A power 4. This is already square, 2 4s are 8. Now by square means this is square, so this will be b square into secant theta minus tan theta. Here whole power 4 already there. If you square it, 4 2s are 8. So watch carefully. A power 4 into b square as it is. This is a plus b into a minus b. Since the powers are same, we can multiply this. Both have the same power 8. So we can use the formula a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square whole power 8. Now we know the formula secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. 1 power 8 is 1. 1 into a power 4 b square is a power 4 b square. So this is the answer. A power 4 b square is a bit. Now see here. What is the question? Sin alpha plus cosec alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square equals to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha, then k equals to. One thing is we can expand this, okay, then use the formulas. No, easy method, no problem. But one more thing is we can suppose any value for alpha. Let alpha equals to, don't suppose 90 or 0, because if you suppose 0, cosec 0 will be infinity, we cannot solve it. I am keeping 45 degrees. So let us see what will happen. Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 degrees is root 2 whole square plus cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2 secant 45 degrees is root 2 whole square. K plus tan 45 degrees is 1. 1. So if you take LCM, root 2 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by root 2 whole square. This is also same, root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by root 2 whole square. Bring this 1 plus 1, 2 here, minus 2. Minus 2 equals to K. Now this will be 3 squares, 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. 9 plus 9, 18 by 2 minus 2 equals to K. Watch carefully. 3 square is 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 is 18 by 2 minus 2. 2 ones are 2 nines. Therefore, K equals to 9 minus 2 is 7. Or else you expand, anyhow you will get the answer. Sometimes in Eamcet, the easy method is, let me suppose some alpha, sorry, here this is alpha or theta, whatever value we suppose by our imagination, we will get the answer. See here, before going to the next question, we know sine 3a is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a, and cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So we have to apply this formula here. What is this? 3 cos theta plus cos 3a. Cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, okay, divided by 3 sine theta. After minus, use the bracket. What is sine 3a? Sine 3a is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. If you multiply with minus, this will become minus, this will become plus. So you write minus, this is plus. Now cancel. Plus 3 sine minus 3 sine get cancelled. Okay. Plus 3, sorry, cos minus 3 cos sine cancel. 4 4 will get cancelled. What is cos by sine? Cos by sine is cot. Cube is there, cube theta. So it will be cot cube theta. Now see the next question. A lies in third quadrant. A lies in third quadrant. What will be this value? 3 tan A equals to 4. Tan A equals to 4 by 3. Let me take a figure. Suppose this is A opposite by adjacent. You know by Pythagoras theorem we'll get this phi. Now what is the question? Phi into, do one thing. Sine 2A can be written as 2 sine A cos A. Sine A cos A plus 3 sine A plus 4 cos A. Now let me solve this one. 5 2s are 10. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Third quadrant, sine is minus 4 by 5. Third quadrant, sine is minus. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Again third quadrant, cos is minus. Plus 3 into sine, just now return, minus 4 by 5. Plus 4 into cos, this is just now return, minus 3 by 5. So what will we get? 5 ones are 5 2s are, no? So the LCM will be 5. Minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Minus 3 4s are 12. Minus 3 4s are 12. So this is 24 minus 24 is 0. 0 by any number is 0. Now see the next question, 19th question. Watch carefully. Root 3. If you bring this in the denominator, it will be by sine 20 minus 1 by cos 20. Cos 20. Now let me take LCM here. If we take LCM, it will be sine 20 cos 20. Now this will come here. It will be root 3 cos 20 minus sine 20. You do one thing. If you multiply with 2 here, 2 sine A cos A is sine 2A. So to bring 2 here, I am multiplying with 2 and dividing by 2. See here, dividing by 2, multiplying by 2. So this will become sine 2 sine 20 cos 20 sine 2A. 2 sine 20 cos 20 equals to sine 2 into 20. Now 2 20s are 40, sine 40. So this will become now sine 40. 2 into, I am writing like this, 2 by sine 40. What is left here? Root 3 cos 20 minus sine 20. Let you do one thing. Again, let me divide by 2 and multiply by 2. I'll explain why. Suppose if you divide by 2, this will become the formless. Dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2. Dividing by 2 and multiplying. What will become? This is 4 by sine 40. Now watch carefully. I am changing this into sine. This will be sine 60. Sine 60 cos 20. As this is cos 60. Cos 60 sine 20. Why we change this? Now this will become the formula 4 by sine 40 Now this is the formula sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. This will be sine of A minus B, 60 minus 20. Now 60 minus 20 is 40, sine 40, sine 40 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? Answer is 4. I think I have not written the formula. Yeah, this is the 4 answer. Yeah, before going to the next question, sine 360 plus theta or any trigonometric ratio 360 plus theta is the same value. 360, either you take 360 or 720. 720 means 2 into 360 plus theta, that will be same. Or 3 into 360 is 1080. So if you get 1080, you write 3 into 360. If you get 1440, then you can write 4 into 360. So we can change like this the quadrants. That this all means, suppose plus theta means this all means first quadrant, whether 360 or 720 or whatever this. So let me solve on this question here. See here, next question. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Take out this minus outside. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. 360 can be written as 720 minus 60. This is same as 360. 2 into 360 means sine 360 minus theta minus sine theta. So minus sine 60 minus minus cancel, root 3 by 2. This is, we can write tan 1080 minus 30. This is 3 into 360. That is sine 360 minus theta. Sine n into 360 minus theta is minus tan theta, because this is fourth quadrant minus. So minus tan 30 is minus 1 by root 3. Secant of minus theta is plus secant theta. So take out this minus. 420 can be written as 360 plus 60. Now secant 360 plus theta, secant theta. Secant 60 is 2. Now cos, this is 180 plus 45. Third quadrant cos is minus. 45 is 1 by root 2. And cosec 315 is 360 minus 45. Fourth quadrant cosec is minus. 45 degrees is root 2. Lastly, cos 510 can be written as 360 plus 150. Cos 360 plus theta, cos 150. Again, cos 150 can be written as 90 plus 60. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sine theta, minus sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now let me substitute the values. The first value we got root 3 by 2. Into the second value we got minus 1 by root 3. And the third value we got 2 divided by. Now the next value, fourth value, cos 225. Cos 225 got minus 1 by root 2 into cos 350, cosec 315 is minus root 2 into lastly is cos, this is minus root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2. Now let me solve these questions. Now see here what is left here. See this, root 3 cancel, 2 cancel. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So there are 4 minus, this become plus. Root 2 will get cancelled. Now what is left? 1 by root 3 by 2. So this 2 will come in the numerator, 2 by root 3. So this is the answer, 2 by root 3. So we have done few easy questions in this exercise. Inshallah, we are going to continue the next exercise. We have not yet started the questions of transformations and others, periods and maximum minima, maximum value, minimum values, ranges of the sine cos. Inshallah, we will continue in the next class. I request you all the students who are following this channel, I request you all to subscribe this channel. You may have subscribed it, but I also request to share with your friends, your colleagues, your college friends, inshallah. We are going to continue the next class, inshallah.